Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trading Analysis with a quick market update for today, Monday, September 30th, the last day of the month of September. We are entering tomorrow, October, and today we are waiting for Fed Chair Jerome Powell's speech in just maybe half an hour or so. But before that, I'm going to review quickly the economic data and the charts because today it's quite a boring day, quite a choppy day, and today is one of those days in which we have to exercise patience and discipline. In terms of economic data, the CHOP PMI came in a little bit higher than expected, but basically 46 point something, still in contraction territory below 50. And Dallas Fed Manufacturing Index still in the negative. So the economy is still cooling down. There are concerns about the too much slowdown. And in that regard, Fed Bostic said that he will be watching upcoming jobs data closely. If employment growth slows much below 100,000 jobs, it would warrant closer questioning of what is happening. He is referring to this week's JOLTS job openings, and also on Friday we have non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. So non-farm payrolls is going to be closely watched by the Fed, and that's key to really understand the path moving forward. In terms of the pricing and the price action, this is the 15-minute chart. As you can see, we are in the range of pre-market, basically pre-market high, pre-market low, a little bit of sell side liquidity that got taken down here, and that's exactly the trade opportunity that I took. Quickly reviewing that, we took that sell side, we open the inverse, we open a bullish fair value gap, and then I enter that typical setup with the stop at the low of the candle and just targeting a low hanging fruit. In this case is this pivot, this liquidity, minor buy side liquidity for 64 points, 7.62 risk reward ratio, and 8 points of risk. Really good trade for more than $1,200. And then into the open, we just took another buy side liquidity and we started to hesitate right here. One key thing that I watch is the SMT, the divergence with the ES. The Nasdaq was doing a lower high and the ES was basically trying to push higher. So I was closely watching the ES to see if there was signatures, bullish signatures, and there was none. The first value gap was in the middle of all the price action. The inverse was not holding. We are just chopping and chopping and chopping. One thing to note is that Nvidia, it's minus 1% and all the semiconductors are in the red. Banks were in the red, now turning a little bit of green. Russell overall is just chopping. We are waiting for news. And today's Jerome Powell, I don't know if he will move the markets, but what is true is that today's price action shows you that the market is waiting for JOLTS and waiting for non-farm payrolls. And until then, we are just hanging in here. We are just hanging, trying to hold key levels. There was a volume imbalance that was tapped today, and basically nothing. I mean, nothing burger. I took the opportunity to trade into the open, but then a quick reversal, and now we are chopping in a basically 100-point range. So patience, discipline, that's all. That's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecasts, market updates, and market recaps. If you didn't check my weekly recap video on Saturday, I highly recommend doing so. And remember that trading, it's basically discipline, patience, and waiting for that opportunity to apply the risk management to take some profits from the market. Stay safe, everyone, and see you tomorrow.